you suffering from lower back pain, knee pain, shoulder pain, muscle pain, sciatica, or any other chronic pain? Chronic and acute pain is quite common and affects millions of people. Fortunately, there is a way to help you relax and relieve your pain. The TENS unit is the highly effective drug-free device for pain relief. TENS, or transcutaneous electrical nerve stimulation, works effectively by sending electrical current to block pain signals and release natural pain-relieving endorphins. EMS, or electrical muscle stimulation, contracts the muscle to help strengthen the blood flow and firm and tone the muscle for faster muscle recovery. Easy at Home's TENS unit, model EHE029N, is a recommended rechargeable TENS unit with a large backlit LCD screen. It has 8 massage types, 16 different modes, 20 strength levels, 2 independent channels, and a 10 to 60 minute adjustable timer. You will find the perfect pulse frequency in no time. This device is small and powerful at the same time. It slips easily into your pocket or purse. How to set up and start EHE029N. First, insert the leads into the channel outputs and snap the electrode pads on each lead. Then place the pads on your body area that requires treatment. Make sure the pads are pressed securely to the skin before using your EHE029N. To start your therapy, slide the on-off button to turn on the unit. The default setting is Mode 1 for 20 minutes. To select your desirable stimulation modes, press the M button to switch between 16 auto procedure modes. Find the stimulation mode that best benefits you, and you can choose the time you prefer by pressing the T button. Increase the time by 10-minute increments each time you press the T button. It is easy to adjust stimulation intensity by pressing the plus or minus button. The plus button increases intensity, while the minus button decreases it. Start with a low intensity and increase gradually to a comfortable level. The middle round button is for switching between the A and B channels. This will allow you to change the settings for each independent channel, but you can also lock or unlock all settings by pressing it for 3 seconds to avoid accidental changes. The device will automatically shut off when the massage timer is complete. Ready to get back to living your best life? Try the Easy at Home 29N TENS unit now for instant relief.